was poppin' SJS Nation, SJS fam. It's your favorite girl, SHEJACKIESAYS, and I am back once again on your screens with another video. So I felt that today's video would be quite beneficial, especially I always wanted to do this video by the caption because as you all know, I was scammed and robbed on an online shop and I got a fake iPhone XS Max. I was supposed to do a review and everything on it, but I felt 2021 would be the best year to do this because I see a lot of people talking about how they've also been scammed online, and when they wanted an original iPhone XS Max, they had the fake one. So as a fake iPhone XS Max clone user, I even added the fake. There's no need for me to add the clone. I wanted to do a review on it. So yeah, we'll soon get right into the video. But before I even continue, thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for watching my content. Alright, so without wasting my time, let's get right into today's video. This is our iPhone XS Max. This is the clone version. You wouldn't know the difference because it just came in an original box. It states here that it's 512 gig. You wouldn't see anything from this because nothing in here shows that it's fake. I hope you understand. So I decided to even check and I couldn't get anything on it. So it wasn't even sealed, but I was buying it at a cheaper price. I said, oh no. So it came in a box like this. Trust me, everything in here looks real. It came with this. Normally this one has a screen protector attached to it. If you buy an original iPhone, you have a screen protector attached to this, and it came with some. This is how it came in. I've removed the charger. The charger was even fake. The first day I used the charger, it blew up. The head of the charger blew up and the cord wasn't working properly. I tried using it on my other iPhone, but it wasn't even working. So this is how it comes in box. You see this earpiece here, and the earpiece too wasn't working. This and this was what was in the box. Let's put the box aside. As I said, there's nothing really fake about the box. They'll try and get an original box and definitely give you a fake iPhone. Guys, nothing about this looks fake, but look at the difference. This is an original. As you can see at the side of the screen, this is an original iPhone XS Max, and the one I'm holding here is the fake one. Even this part should show you that it is a fake iPhone XS Max, and it's very light. This is very light as compared to an original iPhone XS Max. Very, very light. So let's try and turn it on. So guys, I think I need to come closer to do this. So this is the phone. This is what we have in here. It can't even screen record here. As you can see, it can't screen record. So I would even try to it can't do anything, guys. So you have this feature here. You could just swipe and clear off everything that you've opened in here. Okay, so when you buy this fake clone something, so you have a YouTube app here. This is not how a YouTube app looks like, with a yellow thumbnail or yellow covering or yellow a blue border or something like that. This is not how a YouTube logo looks like. And this is Twitter. It would never open. It would just be like this, and it will never open. I've tried. It never does. Then there's a Facebook app. It doesn't work. Then the normal, I don't know what language this is, but there's something in here. It's some language. I don't know what that is. There's nothing on the iPhone XS Max clone. You'd get nothing out of it because I can't use it to WhatsApp. The only thing I can use this for is for calls only. I can't use it for any social media app. It doesn't support any social media app. It doesn't do anything. The guy really scammed me big time because there are other fake iPhone XS Max where it supports WhatsApp, but this exact one doesn't support WhatsApp. There are some cracks here. When it came, it was really fresh. It hits the floor and all those kind of stuff. As I said, I should have done this quite earlier on. So this is it, guys. There's nothing on it. And one thing about the App Store is, let's try and open the data. And it also uses 2 SIMs. It has 2 SIMs. So let's try and open it. I should have done this, but let's try and open this before. Okay. So the SIM slot is here. It has 2 sides. My fingernails is not allowing me to show you guys correctly. Okay, so I think this would do. This would do. So this is the back and this is the front. It uses 2 SIM cards. Don't be confused. None of the iPhone XX Max uses 2 SIMs. It comes with 1 SIM card. So let's insert it right back in and let's connect it to the data. And funny enough, I don't know the problem with this. Since it's a clone, the data doesn't work on most apps. So let's go to the settings. So we have, let me go to data connection. On this phone works. Nothing in here works. Guys, let's continue. So let's go to the Apple ID. Nothing works. You will type in your, let me say Jacqueline. You tap on the login and it would never log in. You would tap on it 1,000 times and it would never log in. That is how the phone came. That is how it was. And Wi-Fi. And you can't also connect hotspots to this phone. You can't connect any hotspots to this phone. The Bluetooth works correctly, and the airdrop too. There's no airdrop feature here. So let's try and see if we could, assuming there is no, let's go to gallery too. Okay, assuming we are trying to airdrop this, let's try and see if we could airdrop. So it doesn't even have an airdrop feature here. It doesn't have any airdrop feature here. As you guys can see, it can't airdrop anything in here. Use the App Store to. Okay. So this is how the App Store looks like. You and I can testify to the fact that nothing in here looks like an iOS App Store. This looks like a Google Play Store, and it doesn't even connect. So let's try and see if we can even download Messenger, WhatsApp Messenger. Okay, so there's it. This is it. And I don't know what this is, but I don't know, post something. I don't know if that's downloading or what, but it would never download. We could stay in here for hours and it would never download. So this is how the clone looks like. And even when you get to the Apple Play Store, it should tell you that this is fake. This doesn't look like an original iPhone. You don't have any place where it shows that this is your iOS account. I hope you understand. So guys, this is the total fake. iMessage, as I said, Safari and all those kind of stuff, they work perfectly well. iTunes, they are all just there for how should I even say it? They are all just there to make the aesthetic nature of the phone, because most iPhones do not have this aspect. Videos, yes. So now let's try and test the camera quality. Let's check the picture it took in here. So this is a picture. It's so not clear, but it has this sharp texture. The camera, it's like really awkward. Let me try and take a selfie here. So this is how this is looking. I don't know why it has divided my face, making a part yellow, making another part red. Let's look at the photo. I don't know. The focus, the length of it is still the same, but it's supposed to change. So this is it, guys. This is the camera features, just in case you want to know. You are just going to be holding this phone just for calls, because you can't use it for any social media app. You can't use it for Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp. So the only benefits you're going to get on this is the calculator. Yes, and even when you take pictures on this, you can never be able to airdrop. I don't know if phones nowadays still use Bluetooth like Android phones. It's been a while. If you're just going to buy this, you're just going to waste your time. If you're buying it outside the country, just make sure you check the serial number of the phone. You go to the Apple website, you type in the number and everything, you check. There's a site where you go. Most iPhone users, so whenever you buy the iPhone, you just go to the settings, you get the, I don't know if it's the IMEI number, either the serial number or something. Then you go to the website, you type it in there, and everything about the phone would pop up. So this particular one, if I go online and I type the serial number on the Apple page, it's not going to pop up, because this is a fake, or this is an iPhone XS Max clone. It's not going to pop up. But if it's an original iPhone, it will definitely pop up just like how you see it. So if it's a red iPhone, you definitely get the red. If it's an iPhone XS Max, gold, everything is going to pop, everything about the phone is going to pop up. I hope you understand. So try as much as possible, do not fall a victim like how I did. Well, I didn't fall a victim, but my story was different. So if you really want to know more about how I ended up with this fake iPhone XS Max, I'll leave a link to that in my description box, or better so you can find it here. It pops up here, you can still find it there. Go watch it and understand how we ended up with this whack iPhone XS Max. The original iPhones have the dotted versions in here are the same as this, but this one they don't tally. Anyone out there might think it is an original iPhone XS Max, but it is fake. When you go to what's on my iPhone, the name iPhone XS Max, songs on the phone are 3, videos are, photos are 47. It came, I've never taken a picture with this before. Applications are 12. Capacity is 256 gig. What do we see on the box? We saw this, right? And it's saying that is 256 available, whatever is here. You have more than how many gig left. iTunes, that's the funniest aspect. Try and open your iTunes and even try, this is just it's like a wallpaper which is on the iTunes. It's just like the wallpaper, and you can't tap anything in here. You can't tap anything on the iTunes page. Let's tap here. Nothing is working. It's not as if the phone is frozen. The iTunes, there was some music on it. There was some music. He also gave me some music, you know. This is the sound. I don't know. It's really high too. This is all we have for the iPhone. There is nothing of these stuffs. Well, the notes do work, but typing on it's some way. You might type on it and the keypads are not really that sensitive like the original iPhone. These keypads are not really sensitive. I got this almost as the same as the original price. I don't want anyone out there to fall a victim. This is 2021. If you have any other questions about the iPhone XS Max clone, do leave it down below. This was just what is on my iPhone XS Max clone. I just wanted to show you guys what it is, and literally you guys saw that there is nothing on this iPhone. There is nothing that makes this spectacular. It's still your favorite girl, SHEJACKIESAYS, your hostess with the mostest, bringing you the hottest, the informative, the juiciest, and I am out. Peace, guys.
With the strength of a woman, SHEJACKIESAYS. With the strength of a woman, SHEJACKIESAYS. With the power of a woman, SHEJACKIESAYS.